How to install KSign latest version for iPhone. Firstly, go to this website here, coinbn.io.bn. This website is from this developer here, Bhuban Khoi. Scroll down on this website, and the first step here is to tap on this install DNS profile option here. Allow. Now we're gonna have to go to settings. Inside the settings page of iPhone, you will get this profile downloaded option. Tap here and install this CoinBN profile here. It's totally safe. Install. Once it's been installed, go back to the same website. Now tap on download certificate here. Download. Once it's done, scroll down on this page further and you'll get this section here, eSign bypass revoke. It's better to choose the KSign version, which is marked with green tick here, which means that it's working right now. The version or certificate name here is TCL household. You can choose any other versions of KSign here and check if this work. Now I know that as of right now this green tick KSign is working, so tap on this and install. Now go to home screen to get the KSign. And it's here, KSign. Open it. It isn't open. We're gonna have to trust this developer. Inside the settings, go to settings once again. Inside the settings, go to general. Scroll down. We're gonna come to VPN, DNS, and device management, and we're gonna trust this enterprise app. That is the version name of KSign that we had installed. Tap on this version, TCL household, and trust it. Trust. Once it's been trusted, go back. Now if you launch KSign, it will totally launch. Now we need this certificate for KSign. If you recall, I had downloaded this certificate for KSign. So go to files and go to downloads folder on the iPhone. And you're gonna find this file here, source coinvn.zip. Since it's in zip form, tap here and unzip it. It's been unzipped. Go to this unzipped folder, source coinvn. Now if you remember the version name of KSign, that was TCL household. This one here, TCL household application. We're gonna locate this certificate inside the KSign application here. So go back to KSign, launch, and go to settings tab. Scroll down on settings page, tap on certificates, tap on plus, and import KSign file. Go to source coinvn folder and locate this certificate. This one here, TCL household. And the certificate has been imported. Now we can install the iPA files. Go to library, import any iPA that you have on your iPhone. Suppose this iPA here. Now tap on the imported app, sign and install. Start signing. Install. It's completed. Now if you go to home screen to check, the installed app is here, iLuku. So that's how you can install the KSign latest version to install the iPA files on iPhone. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.